Are you buried in footage? This one trick will save you hours and help you craft stories your audience will never forget. We've all been there, whether you're a wedding videographer with hours of ceremony footage, a documentary filmmaker juggling interviews and B-roll, or maybe a business filmmaker buried in client testimonials. But what if I told you there's a smarter way to uncover the hidden gold in every story? It's a trick I've used for years, and it's faster and more effective than ever thanks to AI-powered tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the moments that transform your footage into stories that resonate. Before we dive in, let me quickly share something that will take your videos to the next level. My free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop is packed with strategies to elevate your storytelling. And when you're ready to go deeper, my Start with Story, End with Wow master course will guide you step by step through crafting videos that captivate and inspire. Links are in the description. Space is limited, so don't miss out. All right, let me get to work. As creators, we often get lost in the sheer volume of footage. Wedding videographers, you've got hours of ceremony, reception, and dancing. Documentary filmmakers, you've got endless interviews, B-roll, and raw moments. Nonprofit producers, events, interviews, highlights can always feel disconnected. Business filmmakers, client testimonials, and team celebrations are buried in hours of clips. The common problem? It's hard to see the story when you're buried in footage, but here's the truth. The story is always there. You just need the right technique to uncover it. The trick is simple. Look for transformation, contrast, and emotion. These are the moments that resonate with your audience. So let me give you 4 steps to finding the gold. Number 1, use AI for markers. Tools like Adobe Premiere's Scene Detection or Runway can tag standout moments, saving you hours of manual work. Number 2, transformation. Look for before and after moments like a bride getting ready, walking down the aisle. Tools like DaVinci Resolve can enhance these moments visually. Number 3, contrast. Highlight shifts in tone, like laughter breaking tension or a quiet moment after chaos. AI tools can adjust sound dynamics to emphasize these shifts. Number 4, emotion. Focus on raw, unscripted reactions. Tools like Magisto can analyze facial expressions and flag emotionally charged clips for you. So, how does this apply to you? If you're a beginner, these tools can help you organize overwhelming footage and highlight key moments you might miss. If you're an intermediate creator, you'll save time and refine your process, allowing you to focus on storytelling instead of logistics. For pros, you can use these techniques to elevate your work, creating videos that stand out even in competitive markets. Make it a habit to flag emotional moments or striking contrasts as you shoot. You'll thank yourself in editing. Once you've found the gold, it's time to connect it all to your story. Every story, even a highlight reel, needs a beginning, middle, and end. Here's how to do it. Start strong. Hook your audience in the first few seconds with one of your golden moments. Then build tension. Use contrasting moments to create an emotional arc. Finally, end with impact. Finish with a moment that lingers, something that leaves your audience thinking or feeling deeply. In one of my videos for a nonprofit that feeds hungry kids and families living in a motel, I open with a soundbite from the woman who runs the program. With tears in her eyes, Iris talked about looking into the eyes of motel kids and how her heart breaks for them. That one moment became the emotional anchor for the entire video and connected the story to my audience. Story maps using sticky notes or an online app are your best friend too. So map out the emotional highs and lows visually to see how your story flows. Let's tailor this to your style as a creator. Wedding videographers use AI to tag moments of emotional connection, like the bride's entrance or heartfelt toast. Tools like Descript can auto-transcribe speeches to find key quotes. Documentary filmmakers. AI tools like Otter.ai can pinpoint pivotal sound bites and visually striking B-roll to anchor your story. Nonprofit producers. Focus on moments that evoke empathy, like a volunteer's heartfelt words or a recipient's gratitude. AI can sync emotional soundtracks to amplify these moments. Business filmmakers use AI to identify recurring themes in interviews, like customer success stories or team milestones. So here's the truth. AI is a powerful assistant, but it's not a replacement for your creative instincts. Finding the heart of the story still requires your intuition, empathy, and creativity. Your footage is a puzzle. AI can sort the pieces, but only you can fit them together into something meaningful. Ready for my takeaway? The gold is always there in your footage. Here's your game plan. Number 1, use tools like markers to tag key moments in your timeline. 2, focus on transformation, contrast, and emotion as your foundation. 3, build your story with a clear beginning, middle, and end. The raw footage you shoot today could become the moment someone remembers years from now. Every clip holds that potential. It's your job to uncover it. Now it's your turn. Take your next project and find the gold. Remember, every clip holds the potential for a moment that can make your audience feel, think, and remember. It's your job to uncover it. If you want to transform how you approach storytelling, watch my free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop. It's designed to help creators like you save time and uncover the moments that matter most. And when you're ready to go deeper, my Start with Story, End with Wow Master Course will give you the tools to craft videos that stand out, get shared, and leave an impact. Space is limited, so don't wait. Links are in the description. Remember, your next video isn't just another project, it's the one your audience should talk about, share, and remember. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss future tips. Let me help you make videos that leave a lasting impact. Thanks for watching.